Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can whiten your teeth on CapCut apps. So here I have a photo that I want to edit. You can also do this actually for a video, and after that you can just click on the photo or video that you add, go to retouch, click on the face option. Now here on the face, just swipe until you find the white teeth option. Click on that. And here just adjust the intensity, swipe it to the right like this, and you can see the teeth will slightly turn to white. This is the before and here is the after. Click on the check icon and you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.